Hey guys, so we're back with some more rugs to clean. We have this wool rug from a returning customer. She has an older dog and she's telling me the dog is having frequent accidents. So here's some of the stains that the dog had left. So we're gonna try to get those stains out, get all the odor out, and I'll show you in a little bit with the black light. You can see there's gonna be some stains that we can't see right now that the black light will show us. So we have this other rug, we're gonna dust it. We're gonna dust this one too, and then I'll show you all that other stuff right now. So I did forget to mention this earlier, but the first process of removing urine from the rug is dusting. That way we can get as much dust and as much dry urine crystals out of the rug, and then we can head to the next step. So here we have our black light, so we can see all the urine spots. I have the lights turned off, so let's take a look at this rug. As you can see, we have a spot right there, another spot right there. There's a couple spots all over this rug. Let me see. So after soaking it with water, we're gonna let the water penetrate, loosen up all the urine, and then we'll flush it out. Okay, so we let this rug sit for about 30 minutes with the water to make sure it penetrates all the way through. That way the urine can loosen up. We're gonna flush it out, and in the process of flushing it out, you may see that there's not gonna be any like visible urine coming out of it, but we still like to make sure we get as much of it out by flushing it all the way. So while he was flushing the rug, I did notice that there was some bleaching from the urine. We can't guarantee that these stains will come out just because of, well, there's many factors like how old the dog is, the health of the dog, or how long the stain has been there. So what we're gonna do now is put in the tub, let it dwell in there in the solution, and then we'll run it through the machine. So now we're gonna run it on a centrifuge. We're gonna finish rinsing it for the first part, and then the second part we're gonna soak out all the water that's in there, and that's gonna be the start of the drying process. Looks a lot better. So we applied our stain treatment and we're gonna mount it on the drying rack, continue with the speed drying process.